Huh. So
Good
yes,
afternoon, ma'am.
Archana. Yes, good afternoon, Archana.
How are you, ma'am?
Yes, I'm doing good. Thanks for asking. And how are you?
Yes, I'm also doing well. Thanks for
Hmm.
asking me to.
Okay. So as we are connecting for the first time, Archana, so
Yes,
please
ma'am.
tell me, yeah, please tell me about you.
Yes, as you know, my name is Archana, and I was born and brought in Bihar, but I
Okay.
have been living in Delhi for the past 20 years. If I talk about my education qualification, so I have completed B.Ed and I have also qualified CTET exam.
Okay.
And after that, I nowadays I am a homemaker, and at the same time I am doing advisor work. So
Oh,
that's all
that's
about me.
great. Very nice. Very great. Lovely introduction of yours. Okay. You are married now? Are you married?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are married. Okay.
I have two children.
Oh, you have two kids. They are
Yes,
small.
yes.
Might be they are small. How old they are both?
Yes, both have grown up. They
Oh,
are studying. Yes.
okay. They are grown up. They have done their schooling.
No, they are studying. No, but they have grown up.
Okay, got it.
Like higher education, they are doing.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Okay.
Yes,
So, like, okay. Now it's my turn to introduce myself to you, right?
yes, ma'am.
So, as you know, I am Alka and I'm connecting you from Lucknow, the capital of UP. I think you must be knowing about this. That is the capital of
Yes,
UP, Lucknow. Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes.
if I tell about you my academic career, then I'm masters in English. Yes, if I come to my hobbies, then I love to read and listen to music sometimes and interacting with different people. This is my foremost hobby these days.
Okay.
So yeah, so all my passions are left behind, and now my all focus is to have my good friends. Yeah, so I'm working on this.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, I would say thank you for giving me this opportunity because
Thanks.
first time I am connecting through the video call.
Oh, this is
Yes,
your first time.
yes, yes. Actually,
Okay.
on the group, I connected with two, three people, but like a YouTuber, first time I am connecting with you.
Oh, very nice. And even I'm very thankful to you that you connected with me.
Yes,
Okay.
same
So
to me, and
Archana,
I am
yeah,
also.
we both are on the same that group Spoken English Club.
Yes, yes,
Yeah, I remember. Okay, okay. Yeah, I had spoken to you on audio call. Yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
yes, yes.
Okay. So we can't say that we don't know each other. We know each other, right?
Yes, yes. And
Okay.
one group also we joined before. I think nowadays that group deleted someone like Nishu.
Ah, yeah.
Yes,
Oh my God. Okay. Now I understood. You are that Archana. Okay. Yeah,
yes,
yeah. Nishu's group. Yes, yes.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
And there was a one day I mentioned anybody wants to talk to me, want to have a video call. So then nobody replied. But yeah, okay, you were active. You were active on our group.
yes,
Yeah.
yes. Because
Okay.
that time, not that time, like 2025 in July month, that time
Huh.
I started my English journey.
25 June.
Yes, 25. So almost 1 year I have been working on it.
Okay. Oh, very nice. Yeah, we should keep on working, then only like we'll feel confident to speak, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
Ah. And you seem to be confident, though you are for the first time. Okay, the camera you are facing for the first time, is it?
No, actually on the WhatsApp call, facing, but like some YouTuber, first time I am connecting with you.
Oh, okay, okay. So I'm the first YouTuber to connect with you.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That's
And
why
you,
I'm little bit nervous now,
no,
ma'am.
no, no, no. See, Dekho, you should be nervous with those person whom you are talking for the first time. You are talking to me so many times and you know me very well. Like on that
Yes,
initial group, we were both were there in that group. So
yes,
yeah.
but I
So
think audio call.
on audio call, but be comfortable with me. Need not
Yes,
worry.
yes,
Don't feel nervous. So I'll make you comfortable. I don't want my, the with. I don't want that person to feel nervous to whom I'm speaking. So feel comfortable to speak to me.
yes,
Right?
ma'am. I am
Yes.
trying. Actually, on the audio call, I talk with many people,
Yeah.
so that's why I'm habitual. But on the video call, only like 2 3 people I talk.
Yeah, I can understand. The same situation was mine also sometime when I started my journey. So I was thinking that I'll never face the camera. I will always continue my talking only on the audio calls. But like
Okay, ma'am.
my co-learners, they told me, they forced me, okay, ma'am, please try to come on the video call. You'll be more confident. So
Yes,
then I
yes,
started.
ma'am.
But earlier, I had thought that I'll continue on the audio call, practicing with only audio. But yeah, when we come on the video call, it gives you more confidence to speak,
Yes, yes, it's right.
right?
Yes,
Yeah, indeed. And you are such a good, speaker. I've seen you talking to me in the groups. So don't feel nervous. Don't feel nervous.
I am trying to my best, ma'am.
Yes. Hans, everybody, you see, I am telling you now, when I face the camera, when I face the YouTuber, and that YouTuber was Mansi Prajapati. Nowadays she writes Mansi Gola. Her surname has been changed, I think. So
Okay.
she had a video call with me. Was the first time I faced her only. So it was very bad. My video, went very bad that time. So I told her, "Okay, ma'am, please do not upload this video because it was very bad." I know. So it happens with everyone. Once
Yes,
or
yes,
twice
it's
when
true.
you will go on facing the camera, you will become more confident, right?
Yes, yes, it's
Yeah,
true.
yeah. So when did you start your journey of speaking? Last
Uh,
year.
yes, like
Okay.
2025 in July month, that time
Okay.
I started my English journey.
हाँ तो it will be 1 year ना अभी तो 1 साल हुआ भी नहीं है.
Yes, yes. But
Yeah.
before that, I watched English content like English
Okay.
movie,
Okay.
listening something, because I wanted to learn this language since my childhood. So I would
Yeah.
say it was my dream,
Yeah.
childhood dream. But I tried like many times through the grammar book. But it
Yeah.
was very difficult. I couldn't learn through the grammar
Yeah.
book.
Nothing helps. Nothing will help you
Yes.
unless you start speaking. This is the
Yes,
main
ma'am.
thing when you want to have a good, good communication skill. So for that, you need to speak every day. See, when
Yes,
I was a
yes,
child, when I was studying in grade four, so I thought ki if I'm not able to speak, I'll read. I'll start reading. So
yes,
since my class four, I started reading and reading up to that habit is still with me. But I couldn't, speak. I mean to say only reading doesn't help. Okay.
yes,
If
yes,
we are reading, only reading, somebody is only listening. So these kind of things will help you in the long run. But the first thing is you need to speak. Open your mouth and try to speak.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so for that is very much necessary to speak. Okay.
Yes.
If I ask you one question that what was the first moment you were proud of? आपको कब लगा that I'm very proud of? Any moment in your life, कभी कुछ ऐसा हुआ हो?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, when I qualified CTED exam, that time
Okay.
I felt I could do something. So it was a
Okay.
proud moment for me.
Okay.
But like I face, like I did work somewhere also around 5 months. I did work in a bank. So that moment
Oh,
was also proud for me. But I could
oh,
not
very nice.
continue that work. So
Okay.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you were working with the bank, right?
Not now, but like in 2018, that time I did work in bank around 6 months. So
Okay. In which bank you worked?
like in SBI bank, but my
Oh,
work was like related to opening account. So
okay.
I
No,
was
it was,
responsible to.
yeah, Archana, it was a very good work. Then why did you leave?
No, actually, that work was related to sales job, I can say. So I could not
Okay.
opening the account more than 20.
Okay.
That was a targeted job.
Ah, yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay.
that's why I left.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes, something, especially targeted work, it becomes difficult. See, if you
Yes,
have a family of yours, you have your children, and you have to do household chores also, it becomes a little bit difficult. Yeah.
yes, yes.
Hmm. So, like, okay, my husband is a banker. He's retired, but he was in a bank. Yeah. Okay. So I know something about bank, but I never took interest in banking and nothing. Yeah, though my husband is a banker. Somebody asked me yesterday, group call. Some boy asked me the question. Like he was asking everyone in the group. So he asked me one question, ma'am, when did you go last to the bank? I told I need not go to the bank, only sometimes. Like once in a blue one, I mean to say sometimes 6 or 7 months only I go to a bank. I mean to say in a year only once. I never go to bank. My husband is there, so he does everything for me. So I need not go. Okay.
But
So
one thing I would say, ma'am, you are a role model for everyone. You are inspiration for every English learner.
yeah,
Because in
thank
this
you so
age,
much. Thank
you are
you.
working on it, so it is arduous task. It's not
Yes.
easy. Because when I began English journey, that time I felt I gave up many times,
Yeah.
but I wanted to learn. So that's why, like, I was a passion. That's why
Yeah.
I continue. But
Very
many
nice of
times I
you.
gave
Yeah.
up. Then when I see the older people, they
Ah.
are learning. So
Hmm.
I think it was inspiration. It is inspiration for everyone.
Says right.
So
It
I
becomes inspirating. Yeah.
inspired to lot from you, ma'am.
Yeah, what I think is that the you people like you all are so younger to me, and when you see me facing the camera, you feel that
Yes, yes,
why this
it's
lady she's so grown up and she can talk in it, she can start her journey, she can do something. Why can't we? I think
yes,
the younger generation when they see me, so like everyone, not only you, they tell me that ma'am, I'm inspired from you and all these things, because they
yes,
see me like yeah, see so grown up person can do. So you people are very young, so you can
yes,
do anything. You can do wonders in the world, whatever you want to. Like okay,
yes, yes.
hmm. So like when you started your journey, did you face some difficulties, some hurdles? Did you face
Yes,
something?
ma'am. Yes, like when I began English journey, so that time I felt English was a Herculean task for me. So
Okay.
because I started from the scratch. So scratch
Okay.
means I knew how to read, how to
Yeah.
write little bit. Like I knew my introduction, but beyond that I couldn't speak anything. So
Oh.
that
So in
was
this so in this 1 year you became confident to speak, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah,
Gradually
okay.
and slowly, I tried to
Uh-huh.
talk with people because
Uh-huh.
first time my pronunciation was also not clear and I was
Okay.
underconfident. So I felt it's a very Herculean task. How could I face everything?
Yeah, but I am feeling so good that you didn't give up, right?
Yes,
You
yes,
thought
ma'am.
of giving up, but you did not give up, right? Very
Yes,
nice. So you continued your journey and still you are continuing, right? So never give
yes,
up.
ma'am.
See, some hurdles we face in life, so never try to give up, just continue with this journey.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes.
Actually, in 2025, I faced many difficulty because my family circumstances was not good, and my
Okay.
mother-in-law was sick that year. But I was thinking, if I not do now, then I will never do. So still,
Oh.
in that situation, I worked a lot. I did hard work, and because before I gave up many things in my life, I was thinking when good time will come in my life, then
Huh.
I will do something. but again and again I faced many difficulties. Then I thought, no, good time will never come in my life, so I should start. No.
Okay.
So in
Yeah.
2025, I faced many challenges, but still I work on spoken English. So
Very nice.
because I was passion in this language.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So you faced many difficulties, right? Like
Yes, yes,
your,
ma'am.
yeah, in your family there were some difficulties. So you faced all the difficulties and you overcame. And still you are
Yes,
continuing. Very nice. Really hats
yes.
off to you that you are still
Still,
doing. Yeah.
still I am facing like some health issue. My mother-in-law is not good now. But continuous, like whenever I get a time, so I spend to learn this language. I don't
Yeah.
go to outside too much. I think I read a one book, and
Yeah.
that book inspired to me lot, like Atomic Habit book.
Atomic
So
habits. Yeah.
yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am. So from
Okay.
that book, I learned so many things because there was mention if you want to learn something, so 1%, if you do every day, then you will be better in 365 days, a percentage
Yes.
better. So I
Yes.
love from that book. And
Yeah.
second things, I would say, when I saw the Ati ma'am video, so that things
Hmm.
I also inspire a lot.
Yes. Yes. Of course, she inspires everyone. You know, she
Yes,
is very, being in a villager, she's a villager and still she has like, she nowadays she is well known, you know, like she's a well known personality with many people. Like everyone knows
yes,
about her. All the YouTubers, I think, they know about her and she's very well known personality these days. Okay. So, like, okay. So these are the hurdles you face, and you know I'm very much what to say. I'm so proud of you thinking that you face so many difficulties and you worked with your language, right?
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So sometimes you listen also? Do you listen to some videos?
Yes, yes. But I started English journey through the watching movie because consistency was very difficult for me, and
Okay.
consistency is key to learn anything.
Ah,
So
yes.
then, because earlier I gave up many time, many things. So then I thought, how can consistent? How could I consistent to learn this language? So then I thought, like I like watching movie, so I
Okay.
watch too much and listening some English conversational video, English podcast. So still I
Okay.
am listening English podcast.
Very nice. Very nice. So you watch movies. So can you follow their accent? US or UK accent, the way they talk, you know, English movies. So
Yes,
for me, it's
actually
very
I
difficult.
like.
Yeah.
Yes, actually I
For,
like, but
yeah.
like in your future, definitely I will work on that also. But now
Okay.
I am working on spoken English. Like I want to be competent in this language first. Then I will work on that accent also because I
Yeah.
like
So
American
what I,
accent.
yeah, so Archana, what I noticed from you is that you are very much passionate to learn this language, right?
Yes, yes. In this language, I was very passionate since childhood. Like
Okay.
in 6, 7, that time I started English reading book. So,
Okay.
like in academic, I was also good in English
Yeah, yeah.
because 6 or 7, sixth standard that time when I was studying. So, like sixth standard, I took a English subject.